lovely crafters, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I can't believe my first 2026 video will be on May. I know. So today I'm really in the mood of going outdoor, so let's make camping tent. As usual, let's start from the pattern. So I'm making it out of kind of thick paper, and this is the size. You can screenshot it. And next you will need 25 centimeters zipper, but it's actually 29 centimeters in total. And this is the second pattern, just like this. And then I'm gonna show you my recommended fabric. It's canvas. So it's kind of thick, quite stiff, easy to work with, easy to cut, and even easy to fold, almost like paper. So we're going to fold and glue it like this using some hot glue. Of course, it's gonna be better if you sew it using sewing machine, but maybe it will need some different technique. Well, I don't know, I don't sew at all. And this is the zipper part. We need to cut it like this. This is the tricky part. Don't cut it too far because we only need to fold it just like this. Really teeny tiny. And nothing tricky about the second part. You only need to fold it like this. I don't think you can do this with slippery kind of fabric, so I really don't recommend silk or satin. Felt or coated canvas or maybe waterproof vinyl might work really well, so you can try it and let me know in the comment. So this is the size compared to the original pattern. We still have some excess to fold, except for the bottom part. And this is the part with the zipper. This is the trickiest part. I have to fold it really teeny tiny, just about half centimeters, I guess, because we need to make it perfectly fit for the zipper. Don't forget to fold and glue the edge. For the skylight window, I'm using some kind of soft plastic like this. We usually use it as tablecloth. Cut it like this and glue it right there. And then for the other part of the window, I'm using simple felt fabric in this size. And as the accessories, you're gonna need some button and a rubber band like this. Let's finish the skylight first. So plastic does melt a little bit when you put hot glue on it, so maybe don't make it too hot. And maybe you can add some more ribbon frame, but I'm okay with this. attach the button, don't glue it. It's not gonna work. You need to stitch it. And then let's put all the 3 pieces together using hot glue. We're gonna start from the easiest part, this one. Just put the glue right here and fold it. The second part won't be as easy as the first one because we need to fold the fabric. Let's do it. So, the stiffness of the canvas really helps me. I don't think you can do it easily with any kind of lighter fabric, but lighter fabric might helpful for stitching. One side is done. I'm quite happy with the result. It's really neat, and I need to finish the other side. And this is it. It's stiff enough even though with no structure, but of course we need to add the structure. But I don't want to make it permanently attached to the fabric, so I can make it into flat pack and washable part. Now let's continue to make the simple structure using some corrugated board. But of course you can also use some cardboard. But this time I'd like to make it a little bit waterproof because maybe I'd like to play with it outdoor. So just trace the pattern, but you need to make it a little bit smaller than the original. And these are the measurement gaps. And this is for the zipper part. And these are the beams. So, you just need to attach them in simple way using any kind of tape so you can make it removable. So your kids can bring it into simple flat pack, maybe on an outdoor picnic or camping, so they can still play with the dolls. Well, I would. A waterproof floor, so I'm adding some more corrugated board because maybe I'm gonna put the tent on the wet grass. Bonus tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple concrete bonfire. I'm using some leftover cardboard, and the size is actually up to you because there's no any standard, and just make something like this. after all the glue gets dry, of course in concrete color. Put the second layer of the paint after the first layer gets dry in different kind of gray. I'm using lighter gray. Just smudge it until you're happy with the look. So, do you think it looks concrete enough? Well, one thing I don't really like is the texture of the inside part, but it's okay. And as the fire, I'm using electric candle, and I think I'm gonna need another one for the tent. I can't wait to see the light in a dark night. So, let's bring it outdoor.